Hare Krishna. So this event took place in San Francisco in 1967, early 1967, probably February or March. Prabhupada was being interviewed on a radio program. And in those days, the telephones had transparent plastic buttons that you pushed. And if you could have 3 or 4 lines coming into one phone. And if you pushed the right button, you could cut one of the lines off. So Prabhupada was being interviewed. And all of a sudden, and it was the kind of thing where people could call in and ask questions and make comments. So one of the people who called in was an elderly sounding woman who had a very challenging voice. And at one point she asked Prabhupada, "Where do you get your money?" So Prabhupada said, "Well, I have my disciples and I have some friends." And so then the woman said, "Oh, so you're a freeloader, huh?" And in a very challenging tone. "Oh, so you're a freeloader, huh?" And I don't think Prabhupada ever had heard that word, freeloader. So he just said in a very majestic voice, "Yes, yes," like that. And then the interviewer was so distressed by the challenging nature of the person who phoned that he said, "I'm going to punch her out." So he pushed the button that cut off her line. Hare Krishna.